Hello guys, the recording this time is to check this out, unboxing our package for me from Harmony store, Sidoarjo cable patterns. This is full of seagulls. It's safe. Let's open this. Okay. Oh, it's locking good. Okay. This box is custom. You can see inside. This. I'm trying to open from the side. That's already open. Yes, the things we buy is Pulpies and detergents of Rinso. Okay, empty box. Okay, good. Let's check this out. This is what I order. This is Pulpies facial tissue tube by 700. This no, the green one. It's with specification. 1000 seed, but 700 grams. Circle. This is made from the pulp. Out 700 grams. Soft, strong, eco-friendly. Produced by Sandpaper Shots. Maxi safe. Okay, good. And the other one is Rinso. Check first. This is Rinso detergent bubuk, 400 grams. Molto. Yeah. This is specification. Let's check these things. Oh yes, I forgot to open packaging. To see, this is like two things. Let's pick it one. Okay. So molto. Okay. 1000. 400 grams. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching.